Alright, so we're going to invoke the neighbor rule and rewrite this problem. So it's really just addition. We're going to use the butterfly method to find the common denominator, which is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. And now we're going to multiply 5 times 4 is 20, and 6 times 3 is 18. Since we're adding the fractions, then we are going to add the numerators. This is going to give us 20 plus 18, which is 38 24ths. Now 24 goes inside of 38 one time. There's going to be a remainder of 14 24ths. And if you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, you're going to get 7 12ths. So our final answer is 1 and 7 12ths. For problem 2, we want to turn these fractions into common denominators. Now we have two fractions that have a denominator of 8, but since we cannot reduce 9/16, we are going to go ahead and scale up. 4/8, that's half. So in order to have 16 in the denominator, we just need to get half of that, which is 8. Okay. Now the next 6/8, we're going to scale that up by doubling those numbers. So 6 turns into 12, 8 turns into 16, and now we have common denominators. We can compare them. Is 9/16 between those two? And if you look, 8 is lower than 9, so 9 can go in front of it. And 9 is lower than 12, so it would be in back of the 12. And as you can see, 9/16 is between 8/16 and 12/16. Okay, also remember you need a sentence. So here's our sentence. Okay, yes, 9/16 is between 4/8 and 6/8 because 4/8 is 8/16 and 8/16 is lower than 9/16. Also, 6/8 is 12/16 and 12/16 is higher than 9/16. Last but not least, if we use our decimal method, we get 110.4.